What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a mid-cap altcoin that I'm personally invested in and I see a lot of potential in. Before we get started though, make sure that you're a subscriber to my channel as well as hitting the like button and sharing this video with your friends. That would really mean a lot to me. I'm so thankful for all of the support and subscribers that I've been getting over the last little while on this channel. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So when I'm investing in cryptocurrency, I generally like to find a few high cap coins, a couple mid cap coins, and a few low cap coins. When it comes to mid cap coins, this is actually one of my favorites from a market cycle perspective. As you guys know, I've been trading market cycles in these markets for a really long time now. And this is a very simplified version of a market cycle with the optimism, excitement, euphoria, denial, fear, panic, depression, hope, optimism, and then having a repeat. But this is kind of more of an advanced chart showing all of the different emotions over across the time since the cycle starts and since the cycle ends. As you guys can see, this actually looks very similar to the energy chart. And with energy, we have a very strong similarity to the NASDAQ. And so that's one of the reasons I'm personally invested in energy. I'm also doing staking with this coin. There's soft staking on a few of the different exchanges. And so this is one that I'm personally invested in, personally staking with energy tokens. So that means that you actually get a reward just for holding it. And you guys, these market cycles play out like clockwork. We've seen these cycles play out over and over again. With this simplified version of the market cycle, you can actually see pretty easily here if you just take the sine tool, and I actually made a video about this just the other day. For you guys that don't follow me on my Twitter account, make sure that you guys go ahead and follow me on my Twitter, because for the past couple days I've been uploading on Twitter to keep you guys posted with my daily videos. So yeah, this is energy, you guys, and as you can see, there's this massive market cycle on the upside and then a massive retracement, and now we're setting up for a bullish market cycle based on cyclical analysis. And so this right here, this is the depression. We're barely getting into that hope phase of the market cycle before something really big happens here with energy. And so that's why I'm personally invested in it from a market cycle perspective. You guys, I won't tell you guys to put money into anything on this channel that I don't personally have. And even though this is never financial advice, you guys, this is one I'm personally buying, and I highly recommend you guys look at it and take a look at the chart and, decide for yourself whether it's something that you want to go ahead and put some money into. I really like the cyclical analysis of this chart, and from a market cycle perspective, you guys, if we go over to the Wall Street cheat sheet, you can see that there's this area that's called the disbelief phase. In the disbelief phase, you actually have a fractal where the market kind of sells off and gets ready for a massive swing on the upside. This disbelief phase is also known as the first sell-off. So we can go over to this cycle right here, and you can see takeoff, first sell-off, media attention, enthusiasm, greed, new paradigm. And so this entire move from this peak low to this peak high to this peak low is actually a mirror image of the first sell-off of a market cycle. So it's a fractal of something bigger that's coming. So if we go into the bigger time frames here, like the weekly candlesticks, you guys can actually see how this entire move, when you zoom out and make it look really small, is just a first sell-off for a bigger market cycle coming inside of energy. And that could take us up to $30, $50. We really don't know how high this project will go, but I really think that the time is now. It's the maximum point of financial opportunity to be buying and investing in this coin. So that's why I decided to make a video about it today for you guys, because I really feel strongly that this is one that's going to pop off really hard. I just put some more money into it actually, and I encourage you guys to check out the chart and then decide for yourself what you want to do with your portfolio as well. So yeah, you guys, when it comes to market cycles, they're very powerful. They repeat over and over again in all time frames, and they're one of the best resources I've ever found for maintaining profitability in the markets. and really producing revenue and profits in these markets on a regular basis. So that's kind of my thoughts on energy, you guys. It's in the disbelief phase. It's in the hope phase of its market cycle before it really takes off. So the time is now to be buying. The time is now to be investing. And I encourage you guys to check out the chart. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's update. And I really appreciate every single one of you guys tuning in today's video. Thank you guys so much. And I look forward to future updates. As always, stay profitable out there.